A common question you ask in my sub-panel video is, when connecting a dryer, should you use a 2-wire or a 4-wire power cord? If you have the opportunity for a 4-wire power cord, then you should absolutely always use it. And after January of 1996, you're not allowed to use a 3-wire cord in new construction. Our house is a lot older than 1996, so we do have a 3-wire setup. And the most obvious difference between a 3-wire setup and a 4-wire setup is the number of wires, but also we have 3 gray wires on a 3-wire setup. We have color-coded wires on a 4-wire setup. So let's talk about it first. L1, or one pole of your double pole breaker, is going to go to the black wire. L2, or the other pole of your double pole breaker, will go to the red wire. The white is neutral, and the green is ground. Now here's the trick when you're connecting a dryer. The black wire is going to go to the left terminal, and the red wire is going to go to the right terminal. And the white wire goes to the middle. But here's the trick. Dryers are either going to be set up for a 3-wire power cord or a 4-wire power cord, and you're going to have to modify the wiring here depending on what you have. This dryer is set up for a 3-wire. And the main thing that entails is we have this white wire here coming over to this ground lug. If we're going to do a 4-wire, we're simply going to remove the ground screw and then take this neutral here and connect it along with that white wire to our center terminal. Now I need the 3-wire circuit, so I'm going to leave this white wire that's going over here to this ground screw connected. Then I'm going to take a UL connector, and yes, do not leave this out. We're going to put a UL connector through this hole to hold our cord in. Then they're going to connect exactly as they're lined up. So the 2 outside ones will go to the outside 2 terminals, and the middle one will go to the middle. And when you're finished, it should look something like this. Strain relief right here. And if you have any questions, usually there is a diagram explaining the 2-wire versus 3-wire somewhere on the back of the dryer or in the installation manual. My name is Tim, and typically we do videos to help you become a better technician in an industrial environment. But we all have homes, and sometimes we have items we need to service. What other items would you like to learn about? Put it down in the comments. Also, here's a playlist with that sub-panel video and a few other general electricity videos.